With so many different mobile solutions to choose from these days, determining the best value for your enterprise can feel like a guessing game. But not all mobile solutions are created equal. Many, in fact, aren't even created for the enterprise. They're consumer phone-based deployments that consistently fall short on things like enterprise-grade performance, reliability, security, and durability. For organizations in demanding industries like healthcare, retail, hospitality, and manufacturing, these shortcomings can add up to significant cost and complication over time, resulting in much higher total cost of ownership. To get the full picture of a solution's TCO, you need to identify both the hard and soft costs that can be lurking behind the surface of your solution. Beyond the initial purchase price, you may discover the need for software licensing fees, batteries, training and deployment costs, or add-on accessories like scanners, cases, and other tools that your workers need to do their jobs efficiently. Not to mention ongoing maintenance support and upgrade costs. Then there are all the soft costs that can add up over time, like lost worker productivity when devices break or can't stand up to the rigors of your specific working environment. Added IT costs due to insufficient maintenance support or lack of integration with existing systems and networks. Also factor in worker frustration due to devices that lack workflow-aligned features and apps they need to do their jobs. All of these costs can take a big toll on your budget and your business outcomes and have a costly impact on customer experiences and satisfaction. At Spectralink, we know the high cost of choosing a mobile solution that doesn't measure up to your organization's needs and expectation. It's why we built our next-gen Versity smartphone to deliver more value on every front, so your staff and organization can achieve greater ROI at every opportunity. It's time to take a closer look at the real TCO of your enterprise mobile solution and discover how the superior performance and capabilities of Versity smartphones can add up to more value and lower costs for your organization. Contact Spectralink today to learn more.